Hello guys, welcome back again to our channel. Of course, it's your favorite mom of six in the building. Thank you so much for your patience. This video is all about saying thank you. Thank my fabulous subscribers who has patiently been waiting for this girl. You guys show how you love this channel. Patiently waited. A lot has been going on. A lot has been going on this year, early this year, But one thing we are going to say, thank God for everything. We can't, I don't want to go too much into details about it. This is a video that I'm going to do separately to talk about it, because I'm not going to put it on this video. If not, this video will be so long, and that's not why we are here. We are here to say thank you to all my amazing oldies here, my family. You guys are super. You guys are my family, so you guys are great. And to all our new subscribers, thank you so much. All the patience, despite you are not seeing videos, but you are subscribing to the channel, you are liking our videos, you are, commenting. I and my family will really appreciate you all. I want to say thank you, massive thank you, thank you. Now go, merci beaucoup, thank you. Any language add it there, add the thank you, add it there. Thank you so much. And now 452 subscribers. Oh, in fact, each and every day, whenever I see any subscribers, I'm like, thank you, Jesus. We are back again. Want to start once in a week again to be uploading videos. So God help us, but please do try to patient us, try to, share our videos and let the love flow. We are going to try our best, to do it. You see, this video that I'm making now, I'm making this video almost to 1 a.m. because this is the convenient time for me. The kids are sleeping and I'll be able to make such videos. Otherwise, it's not possible because this explanation, it will have taken me 1 hour to do, now it barely take me how many minutes to do this. But if the kids are here, I'm going to spend more time on this. So definitely some videos I'm going to do will be more like sitting down and sharing some of my tips as a mom. And then, yes, we'll share make some family time together. Yeah, let's just see how it's going, because like in this channel, we are here to share our realistic sides, our realistic part as a family of six. I mean, as a mom of six and a family of 8, we just want to share the best we can, share our ideas, share what we experience as parents. And once in a while, you will see my husband. There are some questions as well that we'll be sharing. I'll be asking him. Please continue sharing the love, sharing the likes. Continue, and God will bless you all. I really appreciate from us to you. We love and appreciate you all. Bye for now. Bye.